What's up my peeps? Wagwan. This will be a quick and easy video. I just baked a cake, guys, and I need a cake stand. I got this beautiful piece from the thrift store and I think I pay about $3.99 for it. And this one, I had it a long time ago. It's a set and I'm gonna borrow this one and I'm gonna use this one as the stand part. I have some beautiful diamond shaped crystals here. I have a little bit of beads. You need your scissors, E6000, and you need your hot glue gun. So let's get into the video. My E6000 and I'm just gonna add it right around. And then I'm gonna go in with my hot glue gun and I'm just gonna add a little bit just to hold it while the glue is being dry. And then I'm gonna take my tray and I'm gonna set it right in the middle. Press it down a little bit and voila. Now I'm gonna add some of these crystal and I'm gonna add it to the side or the edge. And now I'm going to just add them right around. Put it on the side and I'm just going to put it like this. Just like that. And I'm going to put them as close as possible. Just like that. I'm gonna do the entire thing and then I'm gonna come back. And so my peeps, this is how it's looking so far. And the final step, guys, I have these beads and I'm just gonna place one right in the space of these rhinestones right here. And guys, this is the final result. Look how beautiful it is, guys. I add some fresh fruits and some cookies and just a few decorative pieces. And look at the details on it, guys. Look at it. I add some beads and some diamonds. And I did the same thing to the bottom. This is a beautiful cake stand or pastry display piece. You can do whatever you want with it. It's so beautiful, easy, and nice. Look at it, guys. Yes, that's it. Easy as a 1, 2, 3. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed. Bye guys.